Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recode variables. So in your homework, you are asked to recode a variable into a different category. So in this particular example, we're going to change years of schooling into a cutoff between two values. So 16 and less and 17 and more. So in SPSS, you are going to go up and click on this button up here at the top that reads Transform, and you're going to recode into different variables. So when this drop box or this box pops up, what you're going to recode is the variable over here on the left-hand side, years of schooling. You're going to add that into this box here by clicking on the arrow that you see here. And then in this box over here on the far right, you can create a new name for that variable. So whatever you want to call it, the homework suggests that you give it GE17 for this particular problem. So you can type that in here under name, and then you can create a label for that if it's 17 years or more. And then when you click the change button, you will see that middle box change with the new variable. Now, you need to click on this button here that says old and new values. This is the part where you actually recode the value. And for this particular problem, it is asking you to do a range. So we're going to do range, and it's going to pick the lowest value. So if it's a score of 0 through 16, we are going to code this as no. If you don't have this box here checked, you won't be able to type in this box. So when you add 16 over here, so it's going to take the lowest number through 16. You see that on the left-hand side. And then the new value up here on the right-hand side is going to be what you're going to find in that variable's location. So any score with us that ranges from 0 to 16 will be replaced with the word no. Click on Add, and it is creating the code for the system. Now we're going to do the same. We're going to do the highest value through the highest value. So this is going to be 17, and this is an output string, and this is yes. So click Add there. So now we're going to recode all of our variables or all of our values, no and yes. So once you see that in the box, you can click Continue. And then when you're ready, click OK. Now what this is going to do, you're not going to see anything necessarily showing your output window except for the code, and this is just the computer language. But if you look in the data set itself, you will see a new variable here, and all of your values will be yeses and nos. Now you can go in and you can create a crosstabs with that new variable by following the procedure that you did before.